How to Fold a Paper Airplane, presented by Armed Forces Entertainment. Welcome to Flight 101. This is a classic paper plane almost anyone can master, and it only takes 8 folds to finish. To create this paper plane, you will need an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper, a ruler or pen to help get crisp folds, and stickers or crayons to decorate your plane. First, place a piece of paper on a tabletop vertically, with the short ends at the top and bottom. Fold the paper in half from right to left, making sure your corners meet and the fold is exactly in the middle of the paper. Now use a ruler, a pen, or your fingernail to be sure the crease is nice and sharp. Unfold the paper, then carefully fold the top left and top right corners toward the center crease. Make those creases crisp too. Now you have a nice point at the top. Next, fold those corners again to make an even sharper point. That's the nose of your plane. Fold the plane in half, then fold back each side to make the wings. Use crayons, colored pencils, and stickers to decorate your aircraft. Remember, the weight and placement of the decorations can make a difference on how your aircraft flies, so have fun experimenting. Hold the plane loosely near the center of the bottom fold and throw it as hard as you can, and see how far your paper plane flies. For more family fun, visit afefamily.com.